Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Rico in here and we are back again with another video. So right now, we're gonna be talking about Marblex naman, ano? So this event was recently post no October 11 and it's been a month already since this announcement. But right now, this is just an information guys about Marblex and na-list na nila sa Zyfe. So ano nga ba yung Zyfe guys? Babasahin lang muna natin yung article nila para mas malinaw sa inyo. Okay? So ang Zyfe natin, pinapakita natin yung announcement right now since if hindi nyo guys napapanood pa yung iba nating video, I am making a lot of Marblex content and if hindi nyo alam ko anong Marblex, if narinig nyo na ang Ni no Kuni, KOF Arena, and other games that they have, ito yung developers nila is yung Marblex under the Netmarble. Nakapaglaro na kayo ng Netmarble before, alam nyo na yung Netmarble. So it is one of the best na game developers here sa buong mundo, no? Netmarble guys, napakatagal na nila. And Marblex is their Web3 ecosystem, okay? So sabi dito sa announcement natin, to celebrate the listing of MBX tokens, Zyfe will host 2 events on the exchange with generous rewards. Ang event period natin is kailangan mong purchase ng MBX with Zyfe order book trading. So ano mangyayari dito? Conditions natin is during the period, conduct MBX JPY transactions on order book trading for a total of 100,000 yen or more. So ang reward daw nito is 1,000 yen worth of MBX for the first 500 users who meet the conditions above. So ito yung pinakauna nilang event guys. Pag ikaw daw ay nag-trade ng 100,000 worth of yen gamit ang MBX JPY na pairing natin is magkakaroon ka daw ng 1,000 yen worth of MBX. So, magkano ba yung 100,000 yen guys? 100,000 yen. 100,000 yen is 37,000 pesos. So, kailangan mo daw mag-trade. So, dito, itong ano kasi na to guys, itong Zyfe natin na order book trading, kailangan mo mag-trade. Kailangan mo lang mag-buy, sell. So, ayun lang kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan mo lang mag-conduct ng transaction with around 100,000 yen or more. So, sakto or mas mataas pa doon. And magkakaroon ka doon ng 1,000 yen na Marblex, worth of Marblex, kapag ikaw ay nakasama sa first 500 users natin. So, it's been a month already since this announcement. So, meron pa kayong 4 days guys. If gusto nyo humabol, but for sure, di na kayo makakaabot since ilang days na lang bago mag November 15. And for sure, marami nag-trade sa Zyfe, no? So, 100,000 yen is easy for those Japanese people na really interested with Marblex. But right now, I'm just updating with you guys what is happening in the Marblex ecosystem since sobrang tagal na lang last update natin dito sa Marblex. So, para lang din alam nyo guys, punta tayo ng Zyfe. Ang Zyfe kasi natin is ano to, it's a Japanese exchange. If you guys know ang if you guys know the MBX natin, yung Marblex natin, pwede mo siyang i-trade dito na sa Zyfe. So, na-announce na rin natin recently na MBX can be traded with Zyfe and right now they are having the event for Marblex Chan as well. So, ayan, pwede ka dito mag-trade para siyang Binance or nakapag na kayo ng Bybit, yung recent din natin, no? So, sila din yung mga recent nila, partner ng Marblex. So, ibig sabihin, Marblex is a really big project na right now. But, right now, yung value kasi ng MBX natin is nasa ATL tayo, guys. If you guys wanna check the value of Marblex, napakababa ng value ng Marblex natin. Kung makikita nyo dito, 0.6 lang yung value ng Marblex natin and yung ATL natin is 0.59. So, ibig sabihin, if you guys buy a lot of Marblex right now, may hit nyo pa yung almost ATL natin. And Marblex guys is a really good company, no? Lalo na pag na-release yung RF natin. Yung RF yung hinihintay ko talaga dito no? So pag na-release yung RF natin, for sure Marblex is gonna be a hit again, no? So right now we're just waiting for another game that will be released. So recently kasi ang nirelease nila is yung game natin na kailangan mong merong mga building. It is called the Meta World My City, no? So, yung Meta World My City natin is currently, ang dami pa rin naman naglalaro nun, but hindi mo kasi natitrade yung tokens niya. So, kailangan mong mag-gain gamit yung mga buildings mo. Kailangan mo magparent with other people. But at the same time, it's a really great game pa rin naman. Nag-invest ako doon, but naiwan ko na rin since hindi ko talaga kaya ng oras ko. Medyo grindy kasi yung game. Kailangan mo mag-harvest and such doon sa game, no? Kailangan mo mag-upgrade. Kailangan mo maglaro ng dice doon. So, hindi siya kaya ng oras ko. But if you guys are interested on playing that one, search na lang Meta World My City. KOF Arena is under Marblex as well and Ni no Kuni, no? Buhay pa naman yung Ni no Kuni ngayon. Actually, ang dami pa rin naglalaro ng Ni no Kuni right now. And maganda pa yung token nila, no? Kahit mababa. Balik tayo sa ating, gaya na sinabi natin dito. Punta ka daw sa Zyfe homepage yan. Gawa ka daw ng account mo. Kailangan mo ng order book. So, kailangan mo lang mag-trade. Basically, pag nandito ka na after you guys register, you just have to trade, no? So, sa Marblex Chan giveaway naman natin, ito yung pinaka-importante, guys. Yung Marblex Chan giveaway. Ano nga ba si Marblex Chan? So, recently, guys, si Marblex Chan natin is the mascot. Kung makikita nyo dito sa Zyph natin, makikita nyo dito si Marblex Chan. Ayun si Marblex Chan. So, iyan yung mascot natin under the CoinMuseMe, no? So, papabasahin lang natin, no? All users who satisfy the conditions of Event 1 are entered into the event. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nagawa mo daw to Event 1 na to, nag-trade ka ng MBX with 100,000 yen or more, maghaharon ka na ng 1,000 yen if pasok ka pa rin sa 500 users natin. And if you guys are lucky enough, you guys can get 15 users will get a Marblex Chan each, no? So 15 winners yon, randomly siya mapipili. So ano nga ba si Marblex Chan? Marblex Chan is the new NFT of Marblex. Ibig sabihin own siya may Marblex that will be featured in the blockchain game CoinMuseMe. Ibig sabihin Marblex Chan is an NFT by Marblex. Okay, hindi siya sa CoinMuseMe but it will be featured in CoinMuseMe. Ibig sabihin kung meron tayong mga games na meron mga mascot or ecosystem na meron mga mascot, Marblex Chan is the mascot of Marblex ecosystem which will be featured lamang sa CoinMuseMe. Further details and benefits about this NFT will be revealed in the future. So, in our next video, we will be talking about this one. But right now, explain ko lang din sa inyo tong announcement na to since napaka-importante nitong announcement na to. If you guys really want to be part of this Marblex ecosystem, curious kayo kung ano nga bang meron dito sa Marblex, ina-explain ko lang sa inyo kung ano nga bang meron sa ating Marblex ecosystem. So, ano nga ba yung what is CoinMuseMe? CoinMuseMe is a blockchain game being developed by Eureka Entertainment with the goal of setting the standard for Web3 gaming. So, the game is scheduled for release by the end of this year and will feature idle characters inspired by cryptocurrency. So, basically, marami tayong aabangan dito sa year na to, sa 2024 before we guys end this year. Okay? So, punta tayo sa check lang natin ano nga ba yung Eureka Entertainment. So, basically, ayan. So, coinmuseme.com natin, check lang natin yung coinmuseme.com nila. And yan, meron din silang mga ibang partnership. So, check lang natin yung CoinMuseMe na website. So, nakikita natin dito, napakaliwanag. And I think this is an idol group talaga, no? So, I hope di tayo makapiright pag pinlay natin to. Yan, check natin yan. Makikita nyo, no, mga chika babes natin na mga meron tayong mga chika babes na, ayun, no? Mga chika babes natin na anime characters. Mga gusto natin, guys, di ba? Ayun yung mga gusto natin. Nako po. Okay. Then, Marblex Chan will be featured on this one. Ayun yung pinaka-importante, guys. And CoinMuseMe is a Web3 game as well. So, kung makikita nyo dito, they have the gacha, si Ethereum to, for sure. We have Ripia. Ripia is Ripple, I think, no? Si Dogecoin. Yeah? Tingnan nyo, guys, gaya ng sabi natin kanina, there is a representation for every tokens that we have, no? Si Oasis, I'm not sure kung ano to. Maybe, hindi ko alam Oasis. Matic, Polygon, Marblex natin, Marblex, basically Marblex Chan. We have GMT, classic GMT, kilala niya naman ang GMT. Si Dep, I'm not sure sino si Dep. Si Astar, I haven't heard of Astar before. Musmi, ito, ano na to, PR character na to mismo. So, mga PR character na nila to. So, ito, basically si Bitcoin yan, for sure, di ba? So, kung makikita nyo naman, guys, napaka-cute ng ating mga chiga babes ngayon. So, ala lang, I'm just sharing you guys the fun with this Marblex ecosystem. Okay? So now, note natin as per Zyph event announcement, NFT Marblex Chan winners will receive an email with details on how to receive the reward for after winning. The rate at which rewards will be rewarded will be rate determined by Zyph all the time. So, rewards will be distributed sequentially to those who meet the condition. So, rewards will be distributed to the target person's Zyph account. If you have canceled your Zyph account at the time of distribution, you will not be eligible for this giveaway. So, kailangan, guys, wag niyo i-disable yung account nyo after you guys traded the 100,000 yen, no? So, hayaan nyo lang yun dun muna, no? Kailangan kasi ma-confirm ng Zyph na nag-trade talaga kayo ng 100,000 worth of MBX. So, Zyph will notify you via email after the gift is distributed. For those who have refused the received email, you will receive the word instead. So, the content of this campaign are subject to change or cancellation without notice, no? If Zyph detects an unauthorized transaction, hindi madi-disqualified ka daw sa event natin. So, ayun nga, guys, ang crypto assets natin, ito yung pinaka-importante, no? Ang crypto assets natin ay characterized by high volatility compared to other financial products. Ibig sabihin, napaka-volatile natin, and yung price fluctuation natin since nag-trade kayo from October 11 to November 15 is almost a month, no? So, ibig sabihin, napakalaki nung oras na kailangan nyo mag-trade dito. But as long as you guys trade the 100,000 MBX and kailangan nyo ma-stock dun sa 100,000 MBX na yun, worth of MBX or JPY, para maging valid yung entry nyo. Ibig sabihin, ayun lang yung medyo cons niya, but you are taking the chance, diba? Ito yung ginagawa nating content before na nagre-risk tayo ng konting liquidity para sa game. Okay? Ayun na. So basically, that's the announcement that we have right now. Thank you guys for watching this video and I hope that you guys learned something. Mag-comment lang kayo if you guys are interested in joining this one kasi i-guide ko kayo personally. If gusto niyo magtanong sa akin, comment lang kayo below. And yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!